Hi, my name is Doug Northcott, and I am the CFO and CMO of CSDC, a business that we have already started and have several B2B clients. We are bringing IT cloud infrastructure to the islands of French Polynesia. Doing so, we'll enable the French Polynesian business community to have the services that they need to develop and grow. I am working on this project with my partners, Thierry and Ratul, who are both graduate students I met through a program at HEC Business School in Paris, France. There is a strong and intense business community in French Polynesia, facing daily challenges due to their 3,000-mile IT cloud isolation. Major cloud companies like Microsoft and AWS don't have any cloud infrastructure any closer than Australia or California, creating huge problems for French Polynesian companies. This is due to the signal loss and delays caused by the 3,000-mile distance through sub-ocean fiber optic cables. Even with all the challenges faced by the cloud industry, it has seen a 45% growth prior COVID-19 within the region and a 775% growth during COVID-19. Our mission is to bring IT tech to the French Polynesian business community. The value proposition of CS Data Center is differentiation. Like apples and oranges, coming from such areas as our geographic location and specific choices we've made concerning equipment and software, we are the only Tahiti-based provider to bring the market-leading software, VMware, to the business community, giving us competitive advantages such as compatibility, performance, and the user-friendly interface. Furthermore, our value proposition against international clouds such as ASU comes from having infrastructure on the island and local staff. This will provide us with reliability, security, and speed that is up to 3 times faster than clouds that are offshored. Also, there will be no need for the international connection, providing further security and convenience, and being able to provide an end-to-end service. What we do is bring all the same services as Microsoft, who we actually partner with, as well as bring services that are not available due to the unsupported French Polynesian market. These services include tailored IT services that include French language customer support and specialist business solutions. The go-to-market plan consists of 3 separate stages. Stage 1, which is we are coming to the end, is where we have set out our MVP and have gained our initial clients. Stage 2, which we are starting to enter, is the activation of the full system and start the sales drive through the CS Consulting customer base, which we have already identified. During this stage, we'll be primarily focusing on building brand awareness outside of the CS Consulting customers and starting sales through Vodafone. Stage 3 is the final stage where we will have saturated the CS Consulting customer base and be focusing on external new customers. This project is clearly very profitable with a net present value of nearly 84 million XPF, which is about $785,000, and a return of 104%. These financial projections were made with very conservative assumptions of capturing just 1% of the French Polynesian business market, assuming a 90% adoption rate. What we're asking for is 3 yearly payments of 8 million XPF starting in 2022 to build our infrastructure and provide the working capital needs to ensure full growth is achieved. The founding team, from left to right: Thierry Chang Sang, CEO and primary owner of CS Data Center and longtime IT consulting. Me, I am the CFO and CMO. I bring 20 years of experience in purchasing, marketing, and finance. Ratul, who is the CTO and COO, is a longtime programmer with about 20 years of experience for companies like AWS and HP. Bringing French Polynesia into the global economy. Thanks. What we need once again is 3 $8 million XBF payments in 2022, 2023, and 2024. Thank you and have a good afternoon. Bye-bye.